official confirmation is that Kumasi Asante Kotoko pre-season no shasiye na venue kure shasiye no na me de ho update bro. What is a Kotoko pre-season no ebe shasiye won kran ya enya no kure. Na what is a Kotoko pre-season ebe shasiye wo Cape Coast enya no kure. Pre-season no ebetimi akwa Accra. Pre-season no betimi akwa Cape Coast. But the confirmation me dey mount on the Royal Super 24 TV no so ne say Kotoko pre-season no shasiye wo Kumasi. Bidimu nchiremu no bro in 3 minutes pe. Unsubscribe ya wadaroma no hit the red subscribe button. Na wabaroma no so na build it together. Information we are saying na to hope. Na ye de asem no emunti ase enimu nchiremu no bro Ewofia join the Kotoko Reaction Center no 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 eno ene Asante Kotoko Reaction Center. Now back to the story about Kumasi Asante Kotoko pre-season. Ene diamino kase 20th of July 2026. Ena Kotoko a confirm say omu pre-season, you know, and I see a pre-season, you know, it starts now with a flyer one who's a coach, world-class coach, Eric Tinkler, world-class coach, and now or the Kotoko pre-season. I say last week Thursday, Kotoko call Adekojache with the coach, with the technical director. Last week Friday, you know, and a Saturday, you know. Appointment in the buy and obey Kumasi no weekend, you know. Omode na ko Emma wa ko hunu ho. Na enna mo se Kotoko supporters chairman Solone some supporters. E pese ya to wo fa da ko ja chi nyina ho. Enna container no so adwuma kakra bi e pese ye office no. Ho ncheda nya ready sa. Kotoko ai na adwe say obey pre-season no ewo home venue home grounds wa nemom no sa honya nya ready a omode Pajo KNUST Pajo Training Center obekai 2008 yebo Afcon stadium baako 3 a yesi 4 a yesi ewo Kumasi no na Pajo ka ho Prempeh College mini stadium no OAS and yes, I see Pajo for teams are no member Kumasi. Baby, o me training no, and nothing yes, I know man. It's Pajo the no that's who was here. I'm no casino. Kotoko from penny for any coach no who say some taxes na aka Adekojache no, or to say be ready no, send the pre-season said ya. O mo be call Pajo no mako keke ball ni nyoma kakra. But Adekojache ni ready within field work there. Adekojache no me shase. Eno ne ntiase fie de mensa aka. Enti ye Kumasi. Ena pre-season ne be shase. E shase betima movie ako Cape Coast no mako beach work. But e shase e wo Kumasi.